Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way on how to build a simple ordering system. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below on this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the platform we'll be using, JotForm. JotForm is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes. It offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to JotForm. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or using your email address. After completing the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your JotForm account. Now, to build a simple ordering system in JotForm, start by clicking on the Create Form button located either at the center or top left side of the dashboard. This will bring up 4 options: Start from Scratch, Use Template, Import Form, and Create Signable Document. For this tutorial, we will begin by starting the form from scratch. Click on the Start from Scratch option, which will then take you to another window where you can select the layout of the form. Choose the Classic Form option, and you will be directed to the editor. Give the form a name, such as Butcher Shop Order Form. Once you have given the form a name, it's time to add elements to the form. Navigate to the left side and click on the Add Form Element option. In this case, we want to add an element field, so click on the Email option. The email field will now be added to the form. Next, we want to add a phone number element. Scroll down to the Phone option and click on it. Once you click, the phone number field will be added to the form as well. Next, let's add a payment method to the form. Navigate to the top left side and click on the Add Form Element option again. The left sidebar will open with various options. Click on the Payment section within the left sidebar. Here you can choose from various payment methods like Square, PayPal, Authorize.net, and more. By adding these elements to your form, you are creating a simple ordering system where customers can enter their email address, phone number, and make a payment. You can further customize the form by adding additional fields and options to suit your specific needs. To share or embed your form, click on the Publish section. Once you click, you will be directed to the Publish section where you have several options. One option is to copy the link and share it with others by clicking on the Copy Link option. If you prefer, you can also open the form in a new tab by clicking on the Open in New Tab button. This will allow visitors to enter their email address and choose an appointment directly on the form. Another way to invite people to view your form is by entering their email address in the Invite by Email field. This will send them an invitation to access the form directly. Additionally, you can share the app on various social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. There is also an option to download a QR code that can be scanned by users. Scanning the QR code will automatically install the app on their mobile phones. If you wish to embed your form in any website, you can do so by clicking on the Embed section in the left menu. Here you will find a Copy Code button that allows you to copy the necessary code to embed the form into any website. By utilizing these publishing and sharing options, you can make your form accessible to a wider audience and gather responses efficiently. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my JotForm tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.